We are below the parallel channel, the lower section. However, what we need to look out for, can we get back into this lower part of the parallel channel and head a little bit higher, just above the 1004.
Before we get started, just a quick disclaimer. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice, and I am not a licensed financial advisor. Everything shared in this video is based on personal opinion, research, and experience. So please do your own research and consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. Investing involves risk, and you could lose money. By watching this video, you agree that you are responsible for your own financial choices. With that said, let's get into the video.
Welcome back to Bull and Bear Hunter. We are having a look at the Palladium chart. We're going to have a look at what it's done, where it's been, and what it could be potentially be doing next. So this is the monthly view. So we'd like to have a look at the long term just to see the bigger picture. Okay, so on this chart, I've got quite a few notes. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to remove some of them as I believe we don't need them anymore. So let's get rid of those. So this will just give us a bit of a clearer picture of the parallel channel. As we can see over the monthly, we are currently down on the Palladium. However, we are hitting and trading on this lower area of the parallel channel, which we'll need to keep an eye on and just see if there's a reaction, which I suspect could be any time soon before we start turning and heading higher. Okay, so let's go into the daily, have a little bit of a closer look. So as you can see on the daily, what we have is this lower part of the parallel channel. As you can see, we've broken just below it. Let me just zoom in a little bit more. Okay, so you can see we've broken below it. However, we have not confirmed this breakdown. Okay, so to confirm the breakdown, the next day's trading should have finished below this area here. It looks like we've just saved, and then the next day it went higher. The following day went lower. Yeah, so we're going to confirm, we didn't confirm. So the next day again we had the green, should have been a red, and should have finished just below it. Again we didn't confirm, so we've got the green, and then we're now just trading sideways. We are below the parallel channel, the lower section. However, what we need to look out for, can we get back into this lower part of the parallel channel and head a little bit higher, just above the 1440. If we can get above it, then we've got a chance of heading a little bit higher. If we can't build a support around this area, then we are looking at heading a little bit lower on the Palladium. Our next target, lower target, is 1300. Okay, so let's just zoom out. So as you can see, we hit the lower part of this parallel channel back in March, bounced off it. We've come to a middle resistance, which is 1630. We've now made our way lower. However, this time we are, as said, on the lower part of the parallel channel. We're sort of consolidating. We just need to see which way it's going to break next. So will it break up or will it break down? That's what we need to keep an eye on. We're just going to the 1 hour quickly. As you can see, quite a few times it's broken below it, but as we can see on the 1 hour, we are still within the lower parallel channel. We seem to dropped out of it, back in, dropped out and back in. So let's just see, let's keep an eye on it, let's just see whether we can find some sort of support, find some buyers, and see whether it can mount some sort of rally back up again. If not, they say they'll be heading towards that 1,300 lower target. Right, let's go into the 10 minutes. The 10 minutes, exactly the same, nothing changes. Just need to keep an eye on this lower section and just hold and watch it and see whether it can make it way above the 1,430 and then go higher from there. So what I'm going to do in the meantime, I'm just going to just extend these lines out to there. Okay, and this one as well. Extend out to the 1,500. This last one, which is the 1,550. Let's extend it out. There we go. Okay, so for now, all we're going to do is just keep an eye on this lower section of the parallel channel. Let's see if we can start making our way back up. If we can't, then we know we've got a lower target 1,300 to watch next. So if you like our videos, if you like what you are watching, if you can help the channel to grow by liking, share and subscribing, turning on your notification, and yeah, thank you for watching and your support. Goodbye.